Now, as the demand for carbon-free energy continues to accelerate, domestically mined uranium and lithium are poised for dynamic growth, playing an important role in the future of clean energy. Now, America currently produces 200,000 pounds of uranium annually, but requires 40 million pounds, a gap that is astounding, prioritized by the recent executive order or fast track domestic and allied uranium development. While others scramble for most clean energy, FMST is already securing resources in Canada to evade geopolitical tensions, possible price spikes, or any global shortages that may occur. With its low-cost, high-grade assets in the Athabasca Basin, Foremost is uniquely positioned. They could be the next uranium company to address the coming market demands while insulating American utilities from potential price spikes and supply disruptions. This isn't just policy change, it's unleashing a uranium demand tsunami. And with the US relying on Canada for approximately 25% of its uranium, we should only expect that number to skyrocket from here. Late last year, Google announced that it's backing nuclear power to supply energy to its ever-increasing hungry AI data centers. Microsoft is also planning to tap into these nuclear reactors to fuel growing AI demand. And the demand for nuclear power is increasing as RBC Capital has stated one thing for certain: more investment into the uranium supply is required to keep pace with the growing demand. That's why investors are starting to pay attention to ticker FMST. And as we look at the uranium market, the outlook is bullish, and the small modular reactor market is expected to expand to over $8 billion by 2028. These SMRs are considered to be the future of nuclear power, and some of the world's largest companies are switching to these in order to power their data centers. Foremost isn't just another explorer, it's a well-capitalized, drill-ready opportunity in a sector that is set to explode with game-changing partnership like Denison Mines. This relationship is so essential that even the current administration has limited its recent uranium tariffs to just 10%. This isn't just trade, it's energy security. Now, FMST holds 45 claims across 330,000 acres surrounding some of the world's largest and highest grade uranium operations like Cigar Lake and McArthur River. Think about how important this can be. Unlike most junior explorers focused on single targets, FMST is diversified across 10 separate properties, each with multiple drill-ready zones. This dramatically increases the odds of a major discovery, also enables Foremost to launch multiple exploration campaigns simultaneously, something that very few of its peers can do, putting Foremost at the forefront of a market set to explode. This is not just a small market rally, this is a generational shift, and the most recent executive orders just lit a fire under the uranium market, quadrupling U.S. capacity to 400 gigawatts by 2025, requiring 2.5 times more uranium than today's entire global supply. The Defense Production Act now treats uranium as a national security infrastructure, prioritizing contracts with allies like Canada that supply the U.S. with massive amounts of uranium. Now, the key catalyst that we just focused on, the Denison partnership, there is no denying what gives Foremost Clean Energy its strategic advantage is Denison Mines by providing technical, operational, and financial support as well as vast industry networks that it took years to build. Foremost gains instant credibility and a multi-year head start over their peers. Denison owns almost 20% of the outstanding shares and provides Foremost a competitive advantage, offering confirmed targets and mineralized areas from years of previous exploration, unlike any other junior starting from scratch. Now, Tier 1 uranium portfolio, near-term catalyst, 10 drill-ready properties in proven uranium corridors, all near surrounding mines, mills, and infrastructure. It has its Hatchet Lake drill program where it announced a new uranium mineralization discovery. It is fully funded $6.5 million 2025 exploration program with only 10.5 million shares outstanding. This is a tightly coiled spring with a high insider ownership. With such a tiny float, any major news or discovery could trigger explosive moves, and that is why FMST is a potential powder keg for the upside when uranium supply crunch meets its catalyst. Now, the bottom line for most clean energy, FMST is a unique, catalyst rich play on the uranium bull market, combining high grade assets, strategic partnerships, and near drilling news flow. So, if you guys have enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Let me know in the comment section below the top stocks on your watch list for this sector. I know there are many hot names. Before we wrap this video up, I want to divert your attention to our website, avidcapital.co/discord. We have 200 members currently, and we've had some life-changing opportunities here. Not only are members seeing explosive growth, we had about 6 members 10x their accounts in the past 2 months. That's taking hundreds to thousands of dollars, but also in just this past month alone, we've had 3 members that have quit their full-time job to come and trade with us. This is incredible. This is beyond humbling. This is something I never imagined in my entire life, looking back a few years ago to where I am in this position currently. And I want to see you guys succeed as well. So if you're interested in joining a winning team covering top quality stocks, important market news and analysis, live trading, call outs, all of the above, please join avidcapital.co/discord. This is absolutely incredible opportunity for you guys to capitalize. I really want to see that you guys can take advantage of this roughly $1 a day to take control of your portfolio and really turn things around going into the second half of 2025. Let me show you, let me prove it to you through my actions that we are one step ahead of the public. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoy this incredible weekend. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.